Do you ever feel like you and your partner just are not on the same page when it comes to expressing and receiving love? Maybe you've tried to show affection in ways that feel meaningful to you, but your partner just doesn't seem to get it. They're just not responding. Perhaps you feel like that your partner isn't expressing love in the way that feels satisfying to you. It can be really frustrating and disheartening to feel like you're not connecting with your partner in the way that you want to. But what if I told you there is a way to bridge that gap and communicate your love more effectively? That's where understanding the love languages comes in. Yes, there are love languages, and by learning about the different love languages and how they work, you can actually gain insight into how you and your partner both express and receive love. And you obviously need to use that knowledge to build a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. So if you're ready to take your relationship to the next level, then stick around to learn why the love languages are so important.